Hello, my name is Gunnar Schimke and welcome to a little tutorial overview of my picture Battle of the Majestics. First I wanted to find a good sky for the picture to get a dramatic feeling of an old oil painting. After cutting out both ships, I had to blend the water. I just cut out some parts from the water, stretched them and tried to fit them right into the picture. Now it was time to add some smoke as a background for the explosions and cannon fire. I used a smoke image and inverted the mask image to paint it in. The holes in the sails are just cut out parts in the masked ship image. Therefore it needs some background parts for the holes. Those are just cut out parts from the original ship image, which now can be placed behind the sails. The fire is a mix of fire images just put to screen blend mode and morphed and transformed to match the whole. The smoke is just painted in. The cannon fire is a mix of several images of fireworks, sparkles and explosions. I just added some cannonballs to make it more intense. Another cannonball is shown later on the right side. I wanted to achieve a believable destruction on the ships. Therefore I found a picture of an exploding wooden ship and just edited it. Later I decided to leave the one on the left for a clearer picture. Now it's time for a handful of bursting debris to make it a good explosion. This is just a mix of brushes and debris pictures. I put some glows and reflectings to the debris elements for a better blending into the picture. Very important, the pirates or ship members. I added several, blended them in with some selective color and level adjustment. Some more glow to the ships. And the final adjustments with the reflectings in the water and some dramatic light. So I hope you enjoyed and stay tuned.